Good afternoon, grade 9. From set 8.2, tabular form they have given values of either sine theta, cos theta or tan theta. One is given, remaining two you have to find out. So we have seen earlier 3. Now fourth column is reduced from your syllabus. This is fifth one where cos theta is given as 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is cos theta. You have to find tan theta and sine theta. Process remains same. Method is same. We have done it many times. So first we will write cos theta is, if this is theta, then adjacent side, that is BC upon hypotenuse is AC. So BC upon AC will be equal to 1 by root 3. So BC becomes 1K and AC is root 3K. We have seen earlier why we are writing this K in our earlier videos. Now you can apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, and we have AC square is AB square plus BC square. Substituting the values, you get root 3K the whole square is equal to AB square plus 1K square. Root 3 square is 3, K square is K, 1 square is 1 and again K square is K. Shifting this over here, 3K square minus 1K square is 2K square, which is AB square. So taking square roots from both the sides, we get AB is equal to root 2 and K. So AB we got root 2K. Root 2 and K. Okay. Now let us find sine theta. Sine of this is opposite side upon adjacent side. So root 2 upon 1. Root 2K upon 1K. So, sine theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So root 2K upon root 3K. So K cancel and we get root 2 by root 3. Now tan theta. Tan of this is opposite side upon adjacent side. So you have root 2K upon 1K. Again K cancel, we are left with root 2. Is this clear? You should be doing it on your own and then cross check with the video, because we have done this many times, such type of problems. Now let us go for the next one. Now here, this is the last from the table because last 3 columns are reduced from your syllabus. So we are left with 21 by 20. Let us do that. Tan theta value is 21 by 20 and we have to find cos theta and sin theta. So similarly we will do. Now look at the next problem where tan theta is given as 21 upon 20. Okay. So tan theta, if this is theta, then opposite side upon adjacent side. So AB upon BC will be 21 upon 20. Therefore AB will be 21K, BC will be 20K. Now apply Pythagoras theorem in this. You have AC square is AB square plus BC square. So 21K square plus 20K square will be AC square. So you get AC square is equal to 441K square plus 400K square. This becomes 841K square. You know that 841 square root of this is 29. So AC you get 29K. So once you get AC as 29K, you can easily find sin theta as opposite side upon hypotenuse. So 21K upon 29K, and here you get cos theta as 20K upon 29K. BC upon AC cos theta. KK gets cancelled and you are left sin theta as 21 upon 29 and cos theta as 20 upon 29. Okay. So this is the end of this tabular form of question from 8.2 because remaining 3 are reduced from your syllabus. Now after that, yes, so I think that's all they have given. Now let's move on to question number 2. Find the value of 5 sine 30 degree plus 3 tan 45 degree. Now students, you know what are the values of sine 30 and tan 45. I have told you one trick also in previous video how to remember these values. So we have sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. This is known to us. This is degrees, mind well. And tan 45 value is 1. So just put these values over here. Between 5 and sine 30 there is multiplication. So what I will have is 5 into, what is sine 30? 1 by 2. Then you have plus sign, mind well. And then you have 3 into, what is tan 45 is 1. Is this clear? Now, this is numerator into numerator, denominator. 5 means 5 upon 1. Remember. So, for multiplication, what are the rules? Numerator into numerator. 5 ones are 5. Denominator into denominator. 2 ones are 2. Plus You have 3 ones are 3 and upon 1. Now here it is plus sign. You can cross multiply. 5 into 1, 5 into 1 plus you have 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. Okay. So let us carry on this. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 twos are 6. The whole upon 2. This comes out to be 11 upon 2. That's it. Very easy, no? Just substitute the values and you'll get the answer. Okay. Let's go for the second problem. Now look at this problem, students. 4 upon 5 into tan square. Square is very important. 60. What is tan 60 degree value? It is root 3. But it is square of this. So you have to square this. Are you understanding me? Okay. Don't miss it out. Here it is with sign plus. Then you have 3 into. First of all, sin 60 is what? Root 3 upon 2 and then square it. Because here it is square. Don't miss the squares. Okay. Now just expand this. So we have 4 upon 5 into root 3 square. That means root 3 into root 3. Root 9 is 3. Plus 3 into root 3 square is 3 upon 2 square is 4. This square is applicable for both the numbers. Alright. So we are left with 4 3s are 12 upon 5 plus 3 3s are 9 upon 4. Now cross multiply. 12 4s are 48 plus 5 9s are 45. 5 4s are 20. Okay. Now if you add up this, you get 93 upon 20. That's all. Alright. Let's go for third also quickly. So you have third question. Let me write it. Now look at third problem. We have 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. Then you have plus sign. Then you have cos 0. Cos 0 is 1 plus. You have 3 into sin 90 is 1. It's better you put like this. So you will not have problem. 3 things we are adding. Okay. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So this becomes 1 plus 1 plus 3 ones are 3. So 3, 4 and 5. So your answer. So easy, no? So your answer is 5. Okay. Let's go for one more. We have time. Now observe this very carefully, students. Let us substitute the values. So we have first is tan 60. How much is tan 60? Root 3. So we are going to substitute root 3. This is tan 60 upon sin 60. Sin 60 is, very carefully see, root 3 upon 2. Then it is plus sign. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Up till here is it clear? Root 3 remains as it is over here. Divide by. Are the denominators same? So we can add numerators directly. So it will be root 3 plus 1 upon 2. Okay. Now this is complete division sign. So how I am writing, just see, it is root 3 divided by. For this upon I am writing divided by. You have root 3 plus 1 upon 2. Now if I convert division into multiplication, this will become upside down. So reciprocal it is going to become. So you have root 3 into, now this will be 2 upon root 3 plus 1. So root 3 into 2 is 2 root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. So you have 2 root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. That's the answer. Okay. Now next. Now let us quickly see fifth one. Cos square 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 square plus sin square 30. So 1 by 2 the whole square. So 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So half plus 1 by 4. I have cross multiplied. So 4 plus 2 by 8 is 6 by 8 is 3 by 4. Now look at this. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is 1 by 2, sin 30 is root 3 by 2. So the same numbers are repeated, you can say, here also and here also twice. So 1 into root 3 is root 3, 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 into root 3 is root 3, upon 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. So root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. Again denominators are same, so I have written 1, 4 over here. 1 root 3 plus 1 root 3 is 2 root 3. And this can be cancelled, 2 ones and 2 twos are. So you are left with root 3 by 2. Okay. So that's all we have done with question number 2. Please understand and neatly solve in your notebook. Thank you.